Hi everyone, today I'm going to go over how to modify the sound generator pipe so you can tune the cabin noise to your liking. This tutorial is only going to apply for the SI models for 2006 to 2008, since 2003 to 2005 3.0 is a little different but almost the same in principle, just a little more disassembly. And the only tool you will need here is a flathead. To find the sound pipe, follow the intake box back past the engine branch and towards the cabin. You can work on either side of the pipe first, but I'll start on the intake side. Now take your flathead and loosen the clamp a good amount out. Then wiggle and pull the hose off, which ends right next to the clamp. Just be careful with the sharp end of the clamp. This could be a little more annoying and difficult than it seems, but just be patient. It needs to come off about 1 to 2 centimeters to clear the fitting. Once this side is off, move it to the side so it doesn't slide back on. Then you can do the same with the cabin side. Wiggle and pull. Once you have the hose off, you can remove either or both foams to your liking. You're going to have to experiment since the sound in a coupe or roadster will resonate differently throughout the cabin. I'll make a sound comparison for my car in another video. So if the weather seal came off with the pipe, go ahead and remove it to put it back into the hole. You will want to make sure the edge of the hole rests between the lips. Sorry it's hard to get a camera in there, but I would work on one side first to make sure it's correctly seated, then go all the way around. When that's all good, you will need to push the pipe back in until it's secure in the cabin side. And same goes for the intake side. And again, you can work either side first. It's up to you. Lastly, tighten down the clamp unless you're still experimenting. I hope that this video helped you, and thanks for watching.